Okay, this is about how to install on a Mac Big Sur. So you've downloaded, and you're going to go to your downloads folder and select your installation file. Double click on it, right? Accept the user agreements, and installation begins. It's going to take a little bit, so go do something else, right? Well, often on a support video like this, you go ahead and edit and cut through to the chase, but I just want to give you a sense of what kind of a normal installation time looks like. Now, I mentioned that this was installation on Mac operating system Big Sur, but this is the same installation that you would see in Catalina and the same installations going back to Yosemite. Part of what I've learned is problems people get into, it's because you're not used to installing software on Macs. So the good news is that there are no problems installing in the Macs. There's just some little things that pop up, and on the different versions, the warning messages can be different. But underneath it, it's all the same. So that's good news for us. Okay, so you get to this screen, and what you want to do now is to drag the UGENE icon. I'm having a little problems here getting it connected, but drag it over to your applications folder. And you'll see this progress window. And again, this is going to take a little bit. You're now actually installing in the applications folder, so it'll be available to you no matter how you choose to open up the application. So this is one of the major mistakes that students are making by not dragging it over to the applications folder. And again, this is going to take a little bit of time, so just be patient and follow the progress bar. And again, I could edit this out, but I want to give you a sense of how much time is normal. So let's be patient, and off we go. We're making progress. Partly the reason that this takes so much time is that you're actually installing an application that takes up a full gigabyte of memory on your computer. UGENE's size is actually relatively small, but it supports a whole bunch of other programs, and so that's where the size starts to increase. Still going. We're now 4 minutes into our installation. Getting there. And there we are. So right now it's all installed. So obviously now you want to go test it, and there's a variety of ways to do that, but in Finder, go to your applications window and you should find UGENE there. So if you just single click on it, let's see what happens the first time. Notice the Mac's taking a while to open it. That's because It's checking and trying to verify the installation. Okay, so notice this screen that pops up. It says move to trash or cancel. So go ahead and cancel it. What you've run into there is Apple's gateway. So to bypass that, you right click on the UGENE icon and bring up the open and select open. And now notice you have a way around that. You select open. Okay, so you won't have to do that again. UGENE's going to start up regularly. And you're good to go. Your installation is now complete. That's it. So again, the error seemed to be about dragging the application to dragging UGENE to your applications folder, and then the other error is being confused by the gateway message. Again, all of those things are specified on my website. Here I'm just getting rid of the tracking information, and there it is. There's UGENE for you.